Is up, YouTube? Well, tonight we got a new project we're finishing up. Be honest with you, I tried to record this, but I took a picture instead. Got that patch panel in. Wait for that caulking to dry. Spray a little bed liner on it, and it'll be time to put some carpet in. Alright, got the boom mat laid down on one side anyway. And I had that heat shield stuff that a buddy gave me, so I went ahead and put that over my transmission tunnel. That ought to quiet it down and keep some heat out of the car, hopefully. Almost time to lay carpet now. So quite a while back, my wife got me some carpet for the car, and today I worked on putting that in. Man, am I happy. It's never looked this nice between the dash and the carpet, redying the door panels. This is like a whole new car for me. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to tonight. Like I said, I wish I would have recorded putting the carpet in, but yeah, I took a picture instead, so that's that. So all I gotta do now is figure out what to do for a console. If you guys have any suggestions on some sort of console, making my own or a factory replacement one or something out of a Camaro, I don't know. I know the factory GTO one will not fit my remote shifter I made, and I have to have that. So, and Pontiac blue block off plate back there. So anyway, that's it. Have a good night, y'all.